The Leapfrog Group is a nonprofit nationwide watchdog organization that surveys 2,600 hospitals across America. They focus on safety and quality initiatives and advocate strongly for transparency in healthcare data reporting.
We received an A, which is the highest grading, which shows our commitment to patient safety and to our patients in our community.
It's very significant because it's a very stringent survey, and it's very difficult to get an A once, let alone 3 times in a row.
Everyone is committed to us being absolutely the best that we can, and really seeing the outcome when it comes to the look on our patients' face, the families, the reunions at the end of the care and on discharge. That's when it really matters most, when you've taken great care of a neighbor and they're able to leave knowing that it was just warm and safe and wonderful.
Me and my team are responsible for consistently keeping the hospital clean and sanitized. We're making sure from the patient's stay to being safe, comfortable, and clean, to making sure that the nurses and doctors' areas are clean and ready for use in a timely manner. My whole team is very good at what they do, but one of my biggest stars are Kendra Jackson and Keon Jackson. They are the ones that go into the patient's room to make sure that their trash has been pulled, if their bed and shelves in their rooms have been sanitized, making sure that their restroom is ready to be in use. Others are my floor techs, Cecil Gates and John Myers. They make sure that whenever the patients come in, that they come into a nice, shiny floors.
Our department participates heavily in the medication safety portion of it, and particularly in medication barcode scanning. We know that when you combine technology with best practices, you have a great opportunity to reduce medication errors. Barcode scanning of medications is one avenue where you can incorporate both of those two things together to produce the safest, highest quality of care for patients. This truly is a team effort inside the pharmacy, because all of our team members participate in this, literally from unpacking an order to testing a barcode multiple times, sometimes multiple times a day. So it truly touches everybody in the department.
Our role in patient safety is everything that we do pretty much, but mainly we focus on our mothers and our newborn infants. A big thing is our positive patient identification, which we do with every interaction with our patients, from procedures to medication administration to handoff shift reports. Another huge safety issue that we have been working on is decreasing and eliminating our maternal and newborn falls, and working on safe sleep and preventing SIDS.
A lot of things that make safety a reality. I think the most important part of that, though, is buy-in. I think getting everybody at every level to really kind of pull together and understand that we can make a difference. We really initiated a program of hand washing around the OR with accountability. That was great. We saw our numbers go up significantly, and I really do think it's because of the team effort.
Our role in patient safety is pretty significant, whereas when a patient has a surgery, we're usually the first ones to get the patient up out of bed and get them around, making sure they're walking okay, using the appropriate assisted device, as well as taking proper measures like using a transfer belt or a gait belt, and then making sure that they're safe to walk in the room, and then also that they're safe to go home as well.
To be able to say that we're an A-rated hospital and to compare ourselves to 2,600 other hospitals across the United States and say that we performed in the highest level is just a fantastic honor for us.
It makes me feel very proud to be part of a team that is so professional and takes into account to give good quality care and to make sure that each patient is safe from every level of care that they go through in the hospital.
when they enter our building that we are making that commitment to them to keep them safe.
Most of the things that happen here, the caring, the concern, the extra mile that people go for neighbors and friends, it all happens in a way that you can't measure it, that you can't really share it. But Leapfrog and that grade, that score, that A, is one way that I can go all across the world and say, look at what we've done. Look at who we are. Look at the commitment we've made to not only our customers and our community, but our family and our friends to be the very best we can be.